This spot cleaner is super powerful for carpets, rugs and upholstery, even floors, and it can remove spots and stains from fabric and hard surfaces. That makes it perfect for use in your leisure vehicle and car. In this video, I'm going to show you what's in the box, show you the key features, and then I'm going to put it to the test in those areas that get really grubby, thanks to, well, life really. Chocolate, juice, wine, mud and dirty dogs. This van has seen it all, but by the end of the video, I'm pretty sure it will look good as new. My VAX SpotWash Duo has arrived. I'm looking forward to giving it a go. Let's see what's in the box. So let me talk to you about the appliance itself. Okay, so we've got the clean water tank here, which obviously is where your clean water goes. We've got your dirty water tank over there, so you can literally watch the cleaning in action. You've got the on-off button at the top. Got your hose here, which has got the added trigger button here. Let's see what else we've got in the box. Okay, so we've got the 250ml rose scented spot washer cleaner. We have the hose clips, which keeps things nice and tidy when the appliance isn't in use. These are the two multi-purpose attachments, and these are things that you can use every day. This is the everyday 2-in-1 multi-tool. And if things get really messy, you've got the 2-in-1 messy cleanup tool. I'm not one for really complicated instructions, so I love how easy this is to use. The water tank just clips off here. And then there's a handy gauge here to show you how much solution you'll need and how much water, depending on the surface area you look to cover. And over here, we've got the dirty water tank. Again, it clips off really simply and easy to put back in. Let's take a look at the back. You'll see we've got the hose self-clean port here. You'll need to use this after every clean. This ensures that the hose stays free of debris and perfect for the next use. The switch here is great. It's protected in its own housing, which means it won't get affected by any dirt or dust or water splashes. The appliance is really light and compact. Here's the carry handle here, which means that you can keep it with you when you're away in your van. I'm really impressed with the length of this lead. This means once it's plugged in, I can get to all those hard to reach areas in my van. So I'm going to show you SpotWash Duo in action. While you're cleaning, press the trigger button to inject the water and then tilt the head slightly lower to remove excess water. You can see it working here. Look at all that dirt. To think that's just come out of one little piece of carpet. It's simple to remove dirt and debris from the hose thanks to the self-cleaning function. Just put a little clean water into the clean water tank, take off the cleaning head and then put the hose in here. Watch the water disappear from the tank and you're done. When not in use, pop the hose into the hose clip to keep things nice and tidy and place the head here. Okay, inside the pack here, you'll notice you've got a warranty card. It's worth noting that all products come with a standard 1-year warranty. However, if you register your product, you'll get an additional 1 year free. VAX is a long-established, trusted brand that's based in the UK. So if you buy one of its products, you can relax with peace of mind knowing that you're purchasing a great product with great results. When you purchase the appliance, you'll notice that you get a 250ml bottle of the cleaning solution. However, you can also purchase the 1 litre bottle, which I'm holding here in my hands. This means that you can take it with you whenever you're away on tour and always have plenty to clean up those pesky spills. Your leisure vehicle truly is a home from home, and if you want to keep it looking good, then why not purchase one of these appliances? It means you can keep it clean wherever you are.